I'm going first to draw this section that you see here. Then I'm going to revolve it about this axis, and then I'm going to draw this part on the surface of the already revolved part and extrude it. Then last I'm going to place my hole. Okay. For the planes, actually I'm going to be drawing this on the top view, this section. So we choose the top view and we go to sketch. First we choose line. This line is 0.995, half of it is about 0.4975. So we go here and we click 0.4975, enter. And this distance is far away than ours, which is 5, so half of it is going to be about 0.25. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 2.5. So this is 2.5. No, actually we need to draw it 5 minus this distance, which is 1, so it is going to be 4. Only 4 is needed, 4 inches. And then we bring it to the center. So now we need to draw this groove here, which is like a circle that has a center of 0.25 inches away from this edge. So we go here and we click the point, we place a point, and we set its dimension or its distance from the edge to be 0.25 inches. So now we draw our circle, which is from this center, and this circle has a radius of 0.5. So we go here and this is going to be 1 inch. Now we go to the trim tool and we go like this and like this. Okay, and for the point we don't really need it, so it was just for helping aid. And then we draw this line, and because we are going to make a rotation, because we are going to revolve this section about this center, so we need to make this as a center line. We need to make this as a center line. Okay, so we click check mark and then we choose our section and we make the revolve. Here we go. Now that this one is done, the next step will be to draw this part at this surface, which has a height of 1 inch and a total thickness of 0.5 inch. So we go, we sketch, we choose this plane and we say sketch. Okay. First we need to make some references at this section, which is going to be this circle, and we click OK and close. And now we draw the line, and this line, as we can see, actually we need to have a dimension from this line to this center line, so that we can modify its distance. So we go and pick this tool, we choose this point, and we choose the center line, and on the wheel we give a one click. After we are done, we press OK. We go there and we put 0.25 inches. Here we go. Once we are done, we can also draw another line. You see, it automatically, Pro Engineer automatically snaps points and lines, as you can see. So you just move along the circle, it snaps to this point, which is at the same level of the point of the first line, and we go and we do it like this. So now we go to the trim and we do this, and that. We trimmed everything else other than our main part. We press yes, and now we are going to extrude this to a distance of 1 inch. So here we go. It looks nice. So now I'm going to place a hole as just shown in the drawing, which is 0.25 inches. It is going to be at the center and at a distance of 0.25 inches from this edge. So we go here, we place a hole, and we choose the surface, and we stick these points, one here and one there. The diameter, as we just said, is 0.25 inches, and it is going to be a through hole, so I don't really care about the depth of it. Or you can also go here and you can say that it is through hole. That's it. This is one option. The other option is just to randomly extend the cylinder so that it goes all through our part. So this distance is 0.25 inches, and this one is 0.49975. No, not really. Oh, I'm sorry. I meant this one. This one, I'm going actually to stick it on this plane, and I'm going to give it a 0 so that our center remains at the 0. Remains at the same line of this plane. So now we are done. We go and press yes, and here we go. Now we are done, completely done. So we go to view, color and appearance. Let's choose a green color. It's a bit bright. We make it dim and we play with this stuff here. I think this one also looks nice. So